Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can use your old phone, Android phone, to as a dash cam with high quality and offline. You don't have to have network or um, data to use it. You can use it offline, and so the app is called Droid Dashcam here. So you just go and you basically find it from Google. Again, it's called Droid Dashcam. You go to Google Play Store and download it. I couldn't find it for Apple phone, so just mainly when you open it here, this is how it looks like. Of course, I'm recording this in the house. So you go to the setting. First from here, you can see when you open it, it look like that. If you press this button here, it will start recording. This way, it starts recording, and it will store it on your either macro SD or on the phone storage itself. It will show you the speed when you move. I'm not moving, I'm just sitting now. So and then you can just press this one to stop it. This is the folder here. If you want to look at previous videos, you will see what the size of those videos are. For instance, this one here, I can play it on the screen. I think you can play it, see it. This is basically how it looks like, right? And this basically the video. Stop it, go back. From here, you go back here. You can. This is called temporary. So what you do actually, you delete it. You can just slide it to the left like this, and you delete it. So it's not automatically deleted. And then you go back here, you come to the setting, and here where you actually look at the video setting, you can select the video resolution. Of course, it's not going to be better than your phone camera. So you select which one you like basically, and which one is your phone camera is capable of, and then you go back here. So that's the video. The camera focus would be you can select it from here, or you can select it. So you can select the continuous video recommended at day and or night. I'll show you from the main screen how you can switch it without coming to the settings. Okay, so this is here, and then the same thing with the night, the same option, but you can do it from the screen too. You don't have to come, but you can just, if you're driving and the night shift, and you don't have to stop, you can just go and from the screen you change it. And so that's this maximum frame. So there are options, you can select which one. Again, it depends on your camera. Is the higher the number, the foot per second, is the better for speed recording. And then you basically come to here, orientation. You can select it, reverse or landscape. Of course, I recommend landscape because, but you can do a portrait too, or reverse landscape. So this depends on if you want to flip your phone around. And then so that's the orientation, and the camera here, you select which camera you want. So it does not do both at the same time. So of course, if you want to see the screen, if its recommendation is to use the back camera, because mostly it will have higher resolution. Okay, so that's this, and then the most important is actually where you store it. So there is, so you can select just a second, camera, and phone in your orientation. This is, we looked at this one here. We looked at this. So this is the video setting here. So we finished the audio. It's recommended to turn them on, so you can turn them on, both audio recording and stereo. So that's this, and then this you can select it to show the information, date, overlay on the location. So it works better if you have the data on it, because then it will show you the address and stuff like that, so you can actually track it on the map. But if you don't have, it's just going to show you only the screen, because the GPS will not be working in this case. So other setting here, that's the where you want video location. That's what's important. So you can select on the phone storage itself, or you can select it on this one here, and you can select it on the photo and select please do not change the path. You have granted permission to specific folder. You change the recording folder. I changed it already. A photo location, the same thing. You can change it to this one. And the duration, that's another. So you can start from like how long the video will be. So it can be 1 minute, 2 or 3. I suggest as minimum use 10. If it's not, in my case, I chose like 20 this case, but you can just select 10 minutes, and every 10 minutes it will be new recording. Start recording, and automatically delete all this. If there isn't enough space, you can select that one. And the maximum memory of video loop recording, unlimited. This one here, G shock sensor, didn't happen with me, so I hope it will never happen with anybody. So but if there is a crash or something like that, supposed to lock the video at that point, so it will not be deleted. And vibrate on impact detection. This is, as I said, some options, because it's free. It doesn't, this update location using GPS. That's when you have the network. Ignore GPS. Those all you don't need them. Okay, so that's basically how you set them. You set the videos, and as I said, from here you see here this one where it says night. If you click on it, says auto day. You click on that one again, it says day. You click on it night. So it's, you can, while driving, you just click on that one and that one and that one, and this is how you change it. Okay, so that's basically it. And again, you can show those on the top or bottom. You can see here the location, GPS off, and internet is off. So okay, so that's how you can get, and you only you delete it manually. You can save some videos that has important information. You save them, you move them, download them to your laptop, or and keep them if you need it. Okay, so that's it. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it up, and don't forget to subscribe and support my channel, and see you in other video.